artist, I'm Mariana Olson, and today we're drawing the cat in the hat. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with and using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Okay, little artists, we're gonna start this picture with the eyes, and we're gonna do an oval shape on the left side. And then we're gonna leave a space and we're gonna do another one. Next, inside the eye, we're gonna do a really little circle, and it's gonna look like a letter U, and I'm gonna make it with the tip of the marker, and I'm gonna do it like this and like this. And the letter U's are really close to the inside part of the oval shape. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pass the marker twice on the bottom, and it's going to look like this. I'm passing here the marker twice, and here the marker twice. And it just makes his eyes look like it has a highlight on the top, like a shiny part. Next, I'm going to pass the marker from the outside of the oval shape one more time on the top, and in the other side, the same thing. Now we're gonna do the nose in between the two eyes. We're gonna do a curve, and we're gonna do kind of like a U shape underneath. And this nose we're gonna color with black. Next, I want to start making his face, and we're gonna leave a space next to the eye, and I want to make a line that goes down, and it's right at the same level of the eyes, okay? And now let's do the same thing. Imagine there is a line across here, and we're gonna do a line that goes down. Now let's do a curve that goes out. So a curve that goes to the left and a curve that goes to the right. And from this point, we're gonna do a little bit of a triangle shape to make it look like first. So we're gonna do 1, 2, and 3. And in the other side the same, 1, 2, and 3. And now we're gonna join these two from side to side doing a curved line. It's gonna look like this. We're gonna go around and we're gonna join to the other side. Okay, this is a cartoon character, so the head is gonna be big and the body will be smaller. Now let's do a second line that goes up here, and it goes like this in each side. And from this line we're gonna do the ears. So I'm gonna go like this, like a U shape, and I'm doing the same thing in the other side, U shape. And inside this U shape, we're gonna do a double line for the outside of the ear. Now that we have this part done, we're gonna do two letter C's. The first one is gonna be here next to the ear, and it's gonna look like this. And the second one right here. And now we're gonna join both letter C's, the bottom one and the top one. So I'm gonna go to the right, and this line is gonna move a little because it's part of the hat. And the second one, the same thing. I'm gonna move it a little bit, the line wiggling until I get to the other side. See, it's not totally straight. And if these lines don't connect, we're gonna connect them here. Now I wanna do eyebrows that are peeking out of the hat. And I wanna do the first one line here, and another one really close to the hat up here. Now let's do the mouth, and we're gonna start with two lines. The first one is gonna be here next to the fur, and I wanna do just a line that goes down and up, and another one goes down and up. See, it's a little curvy. And now I can join them from side to side doing a curved line, kind of like following the same shape that I did on the bottom with the face. And here, right underneath the nose, I'm gonna put an extra curve just to make it look like his mouth. And you can even pass the marker twice just to make this line a little thicker. There. The last detail for the face is gonna be 3 little dots. We're gonna put here 1, 2, and 3. And in the other side, 1, 2, and 3. Now let's do the hat, which is what makes this character so special. And we're gonna start leaving a space here, and we're gonna go to the top doing a curved line, and it's gonna look like this. I'm going up and I'm doing a curve, and I start going down and connect to the other side. Okay, now we're gonna do inside the lines that he has in his hat, And I'm gonna start on the top, leaving a space, and I'm gonna do 1, and this line come curvy, diagonal line. And these lines are curvy and going down in a diagonal way. Now let's do one more, and I'm gonna leave a space, and I'm gonna go down. The same thing, I'm going in a diagonal line. Now I wanna leave a bigger space, and I'm gonna do another one. I'm gonna leave a bigger space. The spaces are getting bigger and bigger, and this one goes not so diagonal. This one goes a little bit more straight. There, that was probably the hardest part of the picture. Now we're gonna work on a bow that he's wearing here, and I'm gonna start here with a letter U right underneath the mouth, and we're gonna do 2 curves underneath the chin. 1 here, 2, and now we're gonna connect these lines with the half a circle of the letter U we did here. So we're gonna go 1, 2. And inside this bow, we're gonna do 2 lines. We're gonna do 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay, and we're gonna finish this bow doing the ribbons here. So we're gonna start with 1 line on each side, and we're just gonna join them with a line that go curvy to the other side. Now we're gonna do a curve that goes around the bow, and this is gonna be his tummy. So I'm gonna start here from the first bow. I'm gonna go around and connect here, and we're gonna do this line double. So I'm gonna do another one exact the same right here. Now let's do the arms, and these are gonna be easy. We're just gonna do a line that goes down and make a curve. And we're gonna do a little curve here for his thumb and come back and connect. Let's repeat this step in the other side. We're gonna go down, a little curve. Let's do one more for the thumb and connect. And now we're gonna do the legs, and the legs are gonna be 1 and 2 lines, 1 and 2. And we're gonna join them with an oval shape around, and the same thing here. The very last thing is gonna be his tail, and we're gonna start down here, and we're gonna go with a curve around the hand and going up. We're gonna do a curve here at the end, and we're gonna come back kind of like the same way. We're gonna go back. I wanna pass behind the hand and connect here. And there, that's it. We finished this cat in the hat, and now my favorite part is coming. Let's color! Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how the picture turned out. This is a super easy coloring, just 2 colors, black and red. And you can add a background if you want to, or you can add more of the characters in this picture. So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!